Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open the Lenovo laptop and doing its unboxing, and I will explain the features. This is Lenovo Idea Pad 5 platinum gray color. It has CPU, RAM 16GB, storage 512GB SSD. Let's do the unboxing. Wow, I'm so excited. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Wow, they packed very nicely. Look at this. Let's take out the laptop now. Wow, they packed it very nicely. Nice. Let's see what's in there. Let's see. There comes a booklet with it for the setup guide. There is a warranty card. And let's see what's here. Wow. Look at the shiny surface. Ooh, so cool. Lenovo. Let's open it. Issue. This is the protection seal. And here you go. Intel Core i5 with graphic card. Idea Pad 5, USB-C, quick charge battery. Here is the power on button, and this is the nice keypad with a nice touch. And here is the port. There is headphone port, HDMI port, and on this side we have two USB ports. Let's switch it on. Let's see what else is inside the box. There is a charger, and there is another card, this one, and that's it. That's all in the box. This is the charger, charging cable, and we'll connect this and we'll charge it. Let's switch it on. Let's switch it on. They put a sticker on it. Remove the sticker and then play it. We will first charge the laptop and then we'll switch it on. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will explain and I will write down my experience with this Lenovo laptop. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my video. See you guys. Bye bye.